Hey guys, let's get straight to the point. We're gonna learn a 2 minutes ab workout which will help you to get core stability, core control and core balance. A six-pack abs if you would like to. Alright, so let us get started. All you have to do is just lie down. Inhale, take a deep breath. As you exhale, bring your knees closer to the chest. And inhale, push back. Exhale, closer to the chest. Inhale, push back. And now here is the thing that you have to do. When you exhale, start bringing in more closer and start squeezing your abdomen. Exhale, 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 squeeze, 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 squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, 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 squeeze in, start squeezing, squeeze, 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 inhale. You can see there's something kind of happening on your stomach, right? You have to now intensify this by squeezing in more. Exhale, 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 squeeze, 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 inhale. Exhale, squeeze, 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 keep squeezing, squeezing, more, squeeze, squeeze, come on, more, don't give up, inhale. And slowly relax and come up. So the point here is now if you see, when you're exhaling and squeezing, you got to keep squeezing as much as you can. But slowly and gradually intensify it. Otherwise, you may have a catch right here near the rib cages. So you have to gradually increase your time of exhalation and start to squeeze in as much as you can. And you will see within 5 days of practice, you will have a wonderful, strong core and core balance as well. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If you liked it, please do subscribe and share for more such informative videos. And do not forget, keep planting smiles.